Hello, it's Verji from 17 UK. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to make fabric ears. We would need a piece of fabric, which you would like the ear savers to be. The backing of the ear savers, it can be the same color. I've chosen a white cotton. And interfacing, which is optional, I put it on to the main color, so it's a little bit stiffer. The measurements are 1.5 inch by 5.5 inches. And let me show you how I do it. First of all, I will put the interfacing, so you put it at the back of the fabric, so the glue bit to face the fabric. So you can see it's already made a difference. It's a little bit stiffer, and we put face together, as the white doesn't have the buttons, and I'll just press it nicely. So let's do the sewing machine. Machine is set now, so we bring this to the machine and we do it on 3. The stitch length you can choose to be 3. So we start from this end. Finish with the other one. Just allow a little bit of seam lines. Don't have to sew it. Just like flip. That was a very nice way of doing this, even if we didn't cut it. Just put it like that. The corner will be nice and crispy. Let's do it again. Go this way, do this way, and flip it. Just like that. Maybe you can press it just with your nails. This one you need to close it. So it is same similar as what we did earlier. You can press it, but I'm used to it, so I just do it now. Then we go back to the sewing machine. There are a little bit too many layers as we fold it in. So I just need to help the machine a little bit. Just push it away. This is our ear saver. Now the last thing we need to do is to add the buttons. You can choose any color buttons, any shape buttons, what you need to do. If you don't have a sewing machine or button foot, you can do the buttons by hand, but I will show you how to do buttons using the foot button, button foot, so I need to remove this foot. And this is the button foot which will keep the buttons in place. So what we need to remember to do is to put, instead of the sewing mode, to down mode, which if you look here, the keys which helps moving the fabric are going down. And the other thing which we need to do before we start is to put the stitch length on 0, so it doesn't move forward but it stays in one place. Then also we need to do a function of a zigzag. You see the needle is moving. The holes are going to be like that. So we need to choose how wide, depending on how wide the holes in between in this button is, we can choose, I'll show you, we can choose the length as well. So let's say we'll put it there in the middle. I don't like it to, I just prefer it at the end, the button to be at the end. So what we do, so this is this side of the button. So if it goes there and then it comes here, this is a little bit too wide, so I need to bring this. Let's try so here. So we can do a rest down. And just Abigail need to move the button. Let's see again. This is good. This will be good. So now we can do I've noticed that the button is not in the middle. This will irritate me. So we want the button in the middle of the ear saber. just show you the other button and then I will cut the rest. But it's really easy. Just need to practice a few times. So this button should be the same, but just in case, before we start sewing, we can check the holes, because we don't want to break a needle. Just a little bit. Then this is good. And this is good. So now we can this is how I make our little saver. How cute is that? So in the next tutorial I will show you how to make the matching face mask. If you enjoyed that, please like and subscribe.